Alright guys, so I'm on my way to the studio. I'm gonna pick up some gas and I gotta pick something up. I'm gonna pick my girl up as well, and then I'm heading to Miami. I'm going on a boat and hopefully it doesn't rain. Hopefully it's not too cold out there. Last time I went jet skiing it was cold as fuck, but you know, I'm a Florida baby, so I get cold quick. But anyways, it don't matter. We're gonna go peep the vibes, see how we feeling. Just pulled up to the location, about to walk over to the boats, see what's going on. But yeah, man, we're about to get on the water. I'm gonna keep you guys updated, get whatever footage I can. It's a kind of nice day out. Hopefully it's not cold on the water, but you never know. Also, shout out to Q Banks for showing hella love. We're gonna definitely get some content in soon together. I would love to do something like a podcast or some kind of cool content for you guys. I'm really excited to share that with you. And yeah, I'll keep you posted. I thought it was gonna be way colder than this.
My guy Embo, you going crazy out here. If they can even hear me.
Downtown.
If they even hear me, if you hear me,
They hear
it's about
you,
to be active. Kino's like the one who started everybody getting after like in our little. Same way I trade now, I was trading when I had no money in my bank account. Same exact way.
Same exact way, yeah.
People
Just
look at
following the process.
because there's gonna be ups and downs. Like you do that with trading. Now I'm actually trying to do that. Only just last one thing I learned, I didn't always making money doing anything else until after I learned the hard way of trying to do it only with trading. Because I already moved out here just with trading. I didn't care the content, but then with doing that, I was trying to do shit like this when it really didn't make sense to me. Because I was trying to do both going jet skis.
Right.
ROI I would get for that, me having to be the person to go make my money in the morning or lose my money.
Right.
It's a tricky situation.
Yeah.
When you got money coming in regardless, I can make a couple thousand today. I don't gotta have nothing in my bank account. I can get a funded account, I can go put money into a live account. The skill ain't going from nowhere. And that's why it's
Only
like,
gonna scale up.
that's all the skill.
Just adding numbers to
All
it.
skill.
It's a numbers game.
Same thing to make 100, you'll make 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. Same thing with business, doing
Anything.
more businesses, more eyes on the business,
Exactly.
more sales.
That's why I tell everybody it's a psychology thing. It's mostly psychological. Just being able to take trades and manage that much money and manage your emotions while taking those positions and not close them early and not over risk. Not, you know what I mean? Just staying consistent with that amount of money.
It's hard.
It's hard to scale the skill set.
It's hard, but it's hard for a reason.
It's hard for a reason, man.
Because it's gonna be worth it.
About to get off the boat. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I have some trades open. I'm in a long on gold. As you can see, we are trading. So I'm going to be documenting my journey here and my process for you guys to see. And I will be keeping you guys updated.